Hello again, it's Steve from the Car Key Man. Today we're looking at a Fiat 500X. We're going to show you what to do if you've got one of these type of keys and the car's saying that the key's not recognised and the car won't start. And it's a problem we're starting to see and we want to show you what to do. Okay, so when you've got this type of key, it's a smart key. Normally you would press the button, okay, and car starts, no problem at all. Okay, but sooner or later when you press the button and the key battery has run out in the key, this will happen. Okay, so normally you would just, to start the car, you'd normally use your finger, press the button, and it would start, but it's telling you that it's not recognised. So all you do, you take your key this time and use it as a finger. So you put it on the start button, okay? Put your foot on the clutch and just press it in with the key. And you can hear there the car started, okay? Now you can just keep using the key like that, no problem at all, but eventually, you know, you're going to need to put a key battery into the key to get back to normal, and there's a video that we've made already for that, and that's going to pop up shortly. And that's it. Okay, we really hope this has helped you, and we'll see you next time.